Number 5, enhanced morph. We've seen how we can morph from one object to the next by doing a duplicate slide and taking the object and moving it, and then going to transition morph. And it moves that object from one place to the next. But let's say the second object we didn't want the same square, and instead we wanted it to be a circle. Now when we do the transition morph, it doesn't work like we expected it to. It just transitions from one object to the next and doesn't do a smooth transition between the two. But there is a solution where you can make this work. Go to the first object, click on it. Under the Home tab, look under Arrange, and there is a selection pane. This tells you the name of the object that we've selected. To do an enhanced morph, you just need to use 2 exclamation points and a name. So that's what we're going to call that object. Now we're going to go to the second object, and we're going to name it the same thing. Now that they're the same name, when we do the transition morph, it does a smooth transition between the two. And that's how you do enhanced morph.